Using a pre-prepared skincare kit can be an excellent way to introduce you to medical grade products or to a new brand, and Zeo Skin Health are really excellent at this. The kit I'm going to talk about today is the daily skincare kit, and it's really suitable for pretty much anybody and any skin type, as it contains all your fundamentals to get started in preparing your skin for potentially more active ingredients in the future. So, first thing it contains is your exfoliating cleanser at 60 ml. Then we've got an exfoliating polish, which is a lovely little pot of scrub, and that's 16.2 grams. There are 30 complexion renewal pads, and then daily power defense, which is a really excellent functional hydrator which repairs the barrier layer of the skin. So this is really good for anyone getting started on Zeo as a brand.